Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find your deleted post on Facebook Recycle Bin. So let's start the video. Open Facebook and now click on the menu bar. After that, tap on the gear icon to open the settings option. Here scroll down and under your activity, click on activity log. In the activity log, you will see the recycle bin here. Click on it and this will show you all the posts you have removed or archived. If you want to restore any post, select the post, then tap on restore. If you want to permanently delete it, click on these three dots and choose delete. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.